pointing at your body. We do that. Jump. Now. You understand? Somebody step on your toes. Oh, you step on mine. You step on me. As if you are the toe. You understand? So, body is you. Many times. Okay, let's analyze more. Just body? Is it just the body? No. Feeling. Your feeling is probably more important than the body. Your feeling, like happiness, unhappiness, sadness, depression, anger, jealousy, desire, so on and so forth. Okay? So that's, well, actually maybe more even the more gross feeling, like itchy, tired, nervous. This is you, right? Got that? Think about it. Let us say. You really should pay attention to this, because this is the most important engineering. If you cannot engineer this, 4 years, polytechnical, but engineering college, graduation, all of that. It's okay, you may be able to build some bridges, maybe you will build some road from here to Kashikam, whatever, but you need to engineer you, me, John, this you need to engineer. Okay? Now, the third one. Then I will go to something practical. So, what is another thing that when we say me, what is it? Your mind. Obviously, if you don't have a mind, what are you? You are just like a stone, you are like a pebble, you are like nothing, you are like dust, right? Your mind is you. You got it? Okay? Think about it. See, if you don't have your mind, self. If you don't have the self, then who are you? Okay? Okay, now the fourth one. The fourth one is a little bit more difficult. Reference is also you. Okay, I will explain this. Okay, some of you are women, some of you are men. See, I'm a woman, I'm a man, I'm a son, I'm a daughter, I'm a father, I'm a Bhutanese. I am somebody who doesn't like chili. I'm somebody who loves chili. I love this song. I don't like this kind. I don't like this kind of political system. I do like this kind of political system. I like this book. I don't like this book. You understand? How you define the reference? I'm sure you have. You must have a lot of values. And this values of course changes, you know. I'm sure maybe last year you liked Korean songs. I heard that many Buddhists listen to Korean songs. Maybe last year you liked Korean songs. Maybe this year you like Punjabi songs. I don't know. It also changes. Right? How do you? It is not my job. Today I'm not going to give you the answer. Okay. Boys and girls, this is your you. I'm not going to do that. I can't. I won't be able to. You need to find this. And this, trying to find and engineering this and realizing this is called Buddhism. Okay? I will share you how you will do it, a method. I will do that. So, I'm going to also sit with you right now. I brought my cushion. So what we will do later, we are going to sit straight. We are going to sit straight for 5 minutes. Not long, just 5 minutes. Okay, no need to sit now, otherwise you may end up sitting 7 minutes. I still have to tell you a few things. Okay, during this 5 minutes, you should not move. Okay? You should not scratch. You understand? You should not. You understand? You should not, talk or whatever during that 5 minutes. You got it? Okay, good. And okay. Now, during that 5 minutes, what do? You can choose. I want you to choose. I want you to look at the body. You can choose. You can just look at the body. I'm not saying look at your eyes. With your mind, look at it. Scan your body. Okay? During the whole 5 minutes, if you just scan, you are uncontrollable, no problem. It's okay. But I don't think you can do it. Scan your body. This is important because all this time, I know you have a body, I know. But have you ever looked at your body? Never. Yes, of course. In the morning, after washing, you go to look at the mirror to see whether you are beautiful or handsome. Of course.